everyone, this is Anam and you're watching Nexus. In this video, we're gonna discuss about the difference between adjective and noun. So without further ado, let's begin the video. There are so many people who always being confused between the adjective and noun. In this video, I'll try my level best to tell you the simple and easiest way to understand adjective and noun, and what is the difference between both of them. So if we just have a look on the definition of noun, a noun is a word used to identify any of a class of people, places or things, or to name a particular one. So simply we can say a noun is actually a word that refers to a things like book, a person like Michael Jackson, or any name you can add here. An animal like dog, cat, rabbit, a place like UK, America, Pakistan, India, Tokyo, any country name. A quality like softness, hardness, an idea like justice, or any kind of an action. So this is a noun. Now if we talk about an adjective, or we can say the definition of adjective, when a word that can be used as a noun modifies a noun or a proper noun, it is called an adjective. So it's all about the proper definition of adjective and noun. But you can understand, you can learn with lot of example. So let's start. Very first example we have vegetable. Vegetable is a noun. But if we say vegetable salad, now in this way vegetable is an adjective. Let's take another example. Chocolate. Chocolate is a noun. However, if we say chocolate cake, now in this way chocolate is an adjective because it modifies a noun. Okay, for your convenience, let's take another example. Piano. Piano is a noun, of course. However, if we say piano player, now in this context piano is an adjective. Let's take another example. Chicken. Chicken is a noun. But if we say chicken dinner, now in this way chicken is an adjective because it's modified a noun. One more simple example I got here for your convenience. Italian. Italian is a noun. When we're talking about someone's nationality, we say she is an Italian. Italian in this context is a noun. However, when we say Italian food, now here Italian is an adjective. And notice that the proper noun Italian remains capitalized when it is used as an adjective. And I would like to mention here one more thing for you. An adjective that is formed from a proper noun is called proper adjective. Let's take another example. Gold. Gold is a noun. However, when we say gold medal, now in this way gold is an adjective because it's modified a noun. Now I have some simple practice session for you. You can see the different sentences on your screen, and from these sentences I bold the words noun with the blue color and adjective with the green color. But I give you few seconds to read and understand. And after some seconds, I will tell you the answer. So the first sentence on your screen, several kinds of butterflies flew around us. Now the words several, kinds and butterflies are the bolded word. Just read and understand from these three words what is noun and what is an adjective. Time is up. In this sentence, several is an adjective while kinds and butterflies are nouns. Check your answer if this is right or wrong. Okay, the second sentence on your screen. Our teacher, Mr. James, identified apple trees along the nature trails. Now in this sentence, our teacher, Mr. James, apple, trees, nature and trail. These are bolded words. Now you decided from these words which are nouns and which are adjectives. And your time starts now. Time is up. So in this sentence, our apple and nature are adjectives, while teacher, James, trees and trail are nouns. Let's move towards the third sentence on your screen. Many people are working to clean up the bird park. Your time starts now. Time is up. So in this sentence, many and birds are the adjectives, while people and park are nouns. Now the sentence number 4 on your screen. The colorful jelly beans sat in the center of a glass table. Your time starts now. Time is up. So in this sentence, the word colorful and the word glass are adjective, while jelly beans, table and center are nouns. So the sentence number 5 and the last sentence we have, someone has filled the fruit bowl with cashews and almonds. Your time starts now. Time is up. Now in this sentence, fruit is an adjective, while bowl, cashews and almonds are noun. So that was a simple practice session for you. Hope so you liked this and understood very well. However, there are so many types of adjective and nouns that we'll discuss very soon in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. So if you understood the concept of adjective and noun, write your opinion in the comment section below. And for more informative video like this, you have to be subscribed my channel. I'm waiting for your subscription. Thank you so much. Take care. See ya.